Check this out.
Baja, baby.
We're gonna go enjoy our spaghetti and meatball dinner here tonight.
Another day in Baja.
Ray's Kitchen right there.
That's right.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Flex, Rocks, and Rollovers. We just crossed the border from San Diego into Mexico. Now this is our first stop for the first couple of days. We are in Ensenada. Things you find in the hotel parking lot.
V8.
V8.
Yep.
Weight distribution is on point.
I like the center seat. Well, today is kind of like a arrival day. All the semis are going through commercial border crossing right now. They'll get staged and parked this afternoon. We'll have a team leader dinner meeting this evening. And then tomorrow we'll have pit exchange and a pit meeting for all of the racers and team leaders. And then we'll head off on Thursday to get our pit set up and wait for the race to start Friday.
Awesome. And now we're gonna go have some tacos.
That's right. Super Burro.
Heck yeah. Alright, Brent and I just figured out why plumbing over here doesn't really work that well. Check this out. You would give it a try?
No, there's no way I could eat that. A half a burro is probably about all I could eat. But we figured out why the Mexican sewer system is so bad. If you eat that for lunch, it's all over.
That's the real deal right here. This is awesome. Alright guys, we just had our first authentic Mexican burrito. He had a taco stand right outside our hotel resort. Yeah, it was amazing. It was, can't wait for the next one. This is gonna be an awesome trip. It is day 2 here in Ensenada, Mexico. It is raining. It was pouring down rain pretty much half of the day yesterday. It's supposed to rain all day today. Anybody I talked to has never experienced rain during the Baja 1000. We're about to head out and start the BFG pit exchange. This is my first time. I have absolutely no idea what to expect, but I'm going to take you guys with me. See you guys later. Alright guys, here I am with Matt Medina, our pit boss. He's running pit 3 and he's going to tell you guys a little bit about what pit exchange means, what the racers are dropping off here, what they don't drop off here, what the chase trucks have to take care of, and all that jazz. So
we're here at Estero Beach for the pit exchange, and this is where all the racers come through and each pit, and they will come by and address our little sheet here. And what we're going to write down is the team name. We're going to talk about what size filler neck they have, what size lug nut they have, whether or not they're going to leave us a spare tire or not for the pit for when they come in, because usually when they do come in with a flat, it's on the spare because they changed it while they were racing. Other than that, they'll leave us some dump cans, occasional spare parts. One of the teams, 4413, left us an air filter, for example. Well, one of the neat things about it is that BFG works with SCORE to do the mapping of the course. So of any other race team that is providing pit support, we have the most knowledge of the track and of the access waypoints for your chase teams to find you when you break down in any inconvenienced area that you can't fix and you need a spare parts, maybe a transmission, something that you don't have on the vehicle. So that's something that's really huge that we do. And then the other thing is that we have a pit location, and we'll have your fuel for you, we'll have snacks, waters, we have a full fab shop, and pretty much can fix anything and everything, provided the parts that your chase team would have for us if everybody's working together properly.
We're going to show you guys how this is going to go down here during the day when the race teams start dropping in, and yeah, document the day for you. So this is just the calm before the storm, pretty much. Storm is probably the right word because it's been raining cats and dogs yesterday and today.
It's going to be a muddy race for sure.
Yeah.
You know, this will be probably the first one real in the rain. I've been coming to the Baja 1000 for 13 years in a row, and I've never had rain yet.
So as soon as the German shows up, rain is coming. So that's just how it goes, I guess. You can thank me later.
I can thank your comment later when we're in San Diego. Hey man, it's not rained since I left Atlanta. This entire trip's been amazing, no rain. And then as soon as we head down to Baja,
Hell breaks
palm
loose.
trees going sideways, crazy stuff. Yeah. Haley, I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. This is my first year at Baja, and I will be doing fueling.
My name is Nick from Ocean Beach. It's probably my 4th year doing it. I've known Matt for a long time, so that's how he got me into it. And I'm the medic, and I operate the radio as well.
Chris Stanley, been doing BFG pits for 5 years now, and I do the welding and fabrication along with the inspections on the rigs as they come through, and weld them up if we have to.
My name is Trevor Stone. I'm from Santa Cruz, California. I work at Canapa Motorsports, restoring classic Porsches and race cars. My job at the pits is I'm a fueler.
Our pit meeting area, Frank D'Angelo, Nate Hunt, and a few others will come up and explain what we do, why you want to be here, and then introduce all the pit leaders like myself and the rest of the teams.
So this is like the Bible of Baja.
Correct. This is the most privileged information you could get as a racer for the Baja 1000, 250, any race in Baja that BFG supports with pit support for you guys.
All right. Well, first of all, welcome. Thanks for coming out on this beautiful day. Welcome to desert racing. It's going to be really hot and dusty out there for the Baja 500 next year, so make sure you come back for that.
Today is day 3, departure day. We are all gathering up by the trailers and we're headed to our pit destination. It is early in the morning. We're super beat. We stayed up late last night and went out to Ensenada and had some fun, everybody. We're gonna have some coffee and donuts, and then we're gonna head it into the desert. See you guys later. You ready?
We are ready. 3.5-hour drive. It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully it's still a bit drier where we're going.
Oh, I doubt it, but it'll be good.
We can hope.
It's Baja, baby.
BFGoodrich caution tape as markers on trees, and it should be after the fence, I'm believing.
Well, we just figured out that we had to turn around, and that didn't go as planned.
Just back it. We're not that far off the road.
Well, we might need 2 straps.
Sitting on the frame rail.
Yeah. There you go. Yep.
Well, that's how it's done, folks. The perfect recovery. In the sand.
There it is.
So this is our pit.
This is our home away from home for the next couple days.
We made it.
We made it. We're here. It's our location, Pit 3. Well, first, most important part, set up the outhouse.
Welcome to Pit 3. We're not completely set up yet, but at least the living quarters, fire pit, restrooms, tents, barbecue, and all that goodness is set up. As you can see behind me. Yeah, we're here near Mike's Sky Ranch, a couple of miles away from it. We're gonna put up the garage area, the refuel station, all that kind of stuff is gonna get put right in front of that trailer later today or early tomorrow morning. Now we're gonna get a fire going. It's still kind of chilly. It's raining a little bit. Ready to rock and roll for tonight. Have a nice little bonfire, some adult beverages, and just simply a good time here out in the middle of nowhere in the desert of Mexico. Another night in Baja, Mexico! We just got notified that the race is going to be delayed for 24 hours because of the tremendous downpour and rain that these guys had down here. The road conditions in the desert are so bad that, you know, roads, entire mountain passes got washed out. We're gonna make the best out of it, just gonna take it easy tomorrow, kick it up, and yeah, we're gonna go enjoy our spaghetti and meatball dinner here tonight.
Another day in Baja. That's how we do it. Gotta enjoy life, one day to the fullest.
Race Kitchen right there.
That's right.
Let's have some food.
Grandma's garlic bread on the oven in Baja. Can't get much better than that. Woo! Race Kitchen.
I got news for you. We want to do a giveaway.
Oh my God!
Our first big giveaway here on our YouTube channel. Flex, rocks, and rollovers. The link's in the video description below. First in line, hold on. Shabam! 50-inch KC Highlights C-Series LED light bar. Brand spanking new. This is a $600 light bar.
Damn!
Freaking awesome. This thing is killer. Click on the link in the video description below, enter the giveaway, and win a 50-inch KC Highlights C-Series light bar. We will announce the winner of the KC Highlights giveaway in the last episode of the Baja 1000 video series, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please share the link from our YouTube channel with all of your friends. Invite as many people as you can so we can grow this channel and bring you guys more and more cool content and giveaways. See you later.